Oh. Now it's running. This is an RF module, ASK modulated 2.4 BPS, kbps, Zilog microcontroller, driving an RF module, powered by 9-volt battery, regulated to 5 volts. Look closely at the transmitter. Okay, this is the receiver. It has microcontroller, Zilog Encore. This one is the receiver. Also 43 megahertz. Decoder, driver. Okay. This is billiard shot clock. Then we'll power the device to test. It is preset at 45 seconds. This one I designated as start button, stop button, 45 seconds and 35 seconds. I press the start button, the timer should start counting down. Okay, press the button. Now it's running. If I press the stop button, it will stop counting. I press the 45 seconds, 35. Start counting down. Reset to 35. Reset to 45. Stop. Start again. Now it starts counting. This RF module has a range of 50 meters radius, which means long enough for use in billiards tournament. Also, this timer can be used in basketball by simply changing the default to 24 seconds. But this one, I programmed it for billiards, so it's 45. Stop. Start. Stop. 35. Start. Stop. 45. Start. Stop. Okay, that's all folks. Thank you.